Hey, what's going on? My name is Shaw. We're doing a short video on the new field piece. And this is the type SC260 compact clamp meter, as you can see. Yes, we're going to be calibrating it. We're going to be showing you all how to calibrate it, and this is just for that specific field piece. First, we have to unscrew the back of the field piece in order to find, let me pull this battery out, these little calibrations. You want to switch it down to F2 if we're calibrating, and we're going to turn it so the screw is facing in a cross formation. And we have our thermometers, and instead of a bucket, I have a cup of water that I've been stirring. You can use either a pot or, some temperature. I'm sorry, phone's falling. Don't have a tripod. Wow. See, it's gonna stick them into these ports right here. As you can see, these ports right here. It says type K. Now you see, then you want to switch the field piece to Fahrenheit, Celsius. Now we're going to dip the probe into the cold water until we get a temperature. We want to calibrate it to at least the 32 range. It's pretty standard. Yeah, and that's just a short video for this field piece. Hope you guys enjoy. Like, subscribe, do you.